Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shannon and today I wanted to live test the ZOEVA Scream Queen eyeshadow palette. It's a gorgeous eyeshadow palette with like 10 shades in it and all of them are super gorgeous, so I wanted to live test the eyeshadow palette as I said. So if you want to see what it looks like, then just keep on watching. And now let's do a little like makeup look with this gorgeous palette. I'm starting with this shade right here and it is called Relentless Perfectionism. I will put the shade all over my lid. Now that that's done, for like the lower lash line, I am using the shade right here. It's called Remarkable Chameleon. And I'm using the same brush. Next I go in with this dark like brown shimmery shade and I'm using like this blending tip and just blend that brown shade into my crease. Now to highlight the inner corner parts of my eye, I am using this. Is it this? Yes, on this golden shade right here. And this is called Mirror Motif. And I'm just putting this on like the inner parts of my eye, as I said. And a little bit underneath my brow as well. And that is basically it for like the makeup look. I was so confused like because this palette only owns one matte shade and I always use matte shades as transition shades for my crease, and this one, like the matte one, was too light for me, so I was a little bit confused to use this whole palette for one like makeup look or eye makeup look, but it did work, you guys. It did work, and I think the pigmentation is amazing as well. The colors are super sweet and I do love ZOEVA. This is my third ZOEVA palette, by the way, and like the packaging is super gorgeous, right? I think it is. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. I hope you enjoyed like this gorgeous shimmery eyeshadow palette, because I did enjoy it very much and I cannot wait to like wear this even more now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!